I can't stop the I can't stop the
Good morning, parents. I'm Tucker with your daily announcements for Friday, August 19th. Let's see what announcements we have for today. During Homeroom Tuesday, there will be an informational session for a gaming club in Mr. Miller's room, room E122. If you have a passion for gaming, either online gaming or tabletop gaming, come check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to stop in Mr. Miller's room and ask him. Girls softball open fields will be starting Tuesday, August 23rd. Meet at the softball fields by 3:45 p.m. This is open to all girls who want to play softball this year. Last night, the Lady Barons soccer team opened up their conference season at Angola. The night was started off with the junior varsity team bringing home their first win of the season with the score of 1-0. Scoring for the Barons was Bailey Helmer with the assist from Madison Arnold. Then, in the varsity competition, the ladies brought home a 6-0 victory with the win going to goalie Erica Bollinger. Scoring for the Barons were Rachel Liberty, Allison Noy, Haley Fisher, and Faith Lewis, with the remaining 3 goals. Assists were made by Rachel Liberty and Madison Snyder. Ladies' next game is tomorrow in Fort Wayne as part of the Shindigs competition. Congratulations to the boys' tennis team who defeated Bishop Dwenger last night. This brings the boys to a record of 3-0 for the season so far. Congratulations to the girls' golf team for defeating East Noble last night. This win brings the girls to a 2-0 record in the NE8. Varsity football is in action tonight against Angola at Trine University. The game starts at 7. And the boys' soccer is in action tonight against Grand Ledge at Sports Club starting at 5. Good luck, Barons. Any teacher, coach, or club leader that would like an announcement to air on BTV, please email your announcement to btv@dekalbcentral.net. For lunch today, we will have salad bar, pizza, General Tso chicken, or chicken patty. Happy birthday over the weekend to Abigail Carey, Kyle Chirp, Grace Hooks, Summer Woods, Zachary Frayne, Calvin Hall, Justin Husted, Lizette Manzanares, Kobe Stofield, and Sebastian Ward Jimenez. That's all the announcements for today, Barons. I'm Tugger. Have a great day and a good weekend.